Welcome to week 8, y'all. Y'all, I have to tell you, I had a plan. It was gonna be so cool. I was gonna play. Well, this week we're staying, we're studying singlehood. So I was gonna play all the single ladies and do part of the dance on the video. And then I realized to myself, Jen, no one needs to see this. Like I practiced, I tried, and then I did it in front of the Zoom and I went, nope, we are shutting it down today. So just pretend that that was cool and that I did that. Okay. All right. This week is week 8, which means after this week, we are going to be about halfway through the semester, which is exciting and can also be a little terrifying. So, this is a great week for you to kind of take stock, see what you need to think about in terms of how much time you're devoting to the class, how much effort you're putting into the class, whether or not you're learning the material the way that you would like to learn it, in terms of, are you reading the textbook? Are you looking at the videos and things that I post and the PowerPoints and things like that? So, all right, as we go into week 8, we are going to shift in our assignments towards your final written paper submission. And what I like to do is kind of what we've done all along is like do little bits and pieces so that you have feedback, that you have, make sure that you know exactly what I'm looking for. And then you can put it all together at the end after some good revisions and additions, and then you're all set to go. So you're not scrambling at the end of the semester to write a paper because that's hard on you. The paper's not as good, and then I have to read it. So this all works out really well. This week, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing your first media response. So remember way back at the beginning of the semester when I asked you to think of a family in a book, a movie, or TV show and write a summary about that family and then write 2 theories that apply to that family. Well, now that we're a little further on in the semester, what I want you to do is take that same family that you looked at in the beginning, and I want you to think about some of the concepts that we've talked about or read about over the course of the semester. And this might be love, relationships, patterns of communication, all that. And I want you to apply one of those things, just one this week, okay, to that family. For example, I had a student who used like the family relationships from Bob's Burgers, the TV show. And they talked about like what types of love were exemplified between the different characters. And so that was their first media response, was looking at or applying those theories of love to the families from Bob's Burgers. And I do want you to include an academic journal article that is helpful, that supports your ideas and opinions about what theories of love look like in different people. And if you need help, just a reminder that the Ask Us chat on the Auraria Library website is full of research librarians who are just sitting around waiting for you to ask them questions, and they would absolutely be delighted to help you with your research. There's also Ask Us with live people in the Auraria Library if you're on campus. So those are some really good resources to look at. I've also posted some videos this week in our module that are going to be helpful, both a video walkthrough of the paper itself and also a video walkthrough of how to use the Auraria Library search engine in a way that really helps you. All right, y'all. I'm super excited for this week. There's one last thing that I need you to do, and it is an anonymous midterm survey. It is a 5-point survey, and once you take the survey, Canvas will automatically assign you those 5 points. I cannot tie your response to you unless you leave any identifying details like, hey, Jen, this is Jen, or anything like that. So I really appreciate your help on the midterm survey. That just gives me a chance to see if there's anything that I can adjust or that I can help you and support you to adjust for this semester. Okay. All right, y'all. I hope you have a great week. Just so you know, at the end of the week, I am going to be traveling. So if you email me, I will respond. Just might take a couple hours longer than usual. All right, y'all. Have a great week, and we will catch you later.